So what is the anatomy of a muscle? What's the shape and structure? I would think of a whole muscle as sort of a rope with many fibers coming out of it, smaller and smaller and smaller. Um, so let's start with the smallest part of this muscle. The basic structure of the muscle is going to be starting with two filaments called actin and myosin. And you can see that down here in our chart. Myosin and actin filaments form long, thick fibers, and together form what are called myofibrils. So that's right here and located here. You can see many myofibrils that make up a muscle cell right here. But before we go further, we have one definition to go over, a sarcomere. And a sarcomere is simply a section of actin and myosin filaments. Okay? And there are many sections of these. If we took one actin and myosin filament called a myofibril and we took sections of it, we would have many sarcomeres. Okay? And these sarcomeres are responsible for muscle contraction. You can learn this in another video. So going on with muscle structure, we've got the actin and myosin filaments forming a myofibril and many myofibrils making up a muscle cell. Well, many muscle cells together in this picture here form what we call a fascicle. Many fascicles bundled together, of course with nutrients to supply it with energy, are bundled together in an entire muscle, what you could call an organ in the body, a whole muscle.